Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode on Google Keep application. Keep watching the video till the end. To enable dark mode on Google Keep, firstly go ahead and launch open Google Keep application from your device. The home page of Google Keep application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on Settings. You will end up on the settings page of your Google Keeps account. Tap on Themes. From the pop-up, click on Dark option. This is how you can enable dark mode on Google Keep application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.